Hello and welcome to this lecture. My name is Mumshad Manambeth and we're learning advanced Ansible topics. In this lecture, we will be talking about a basic web application. This lecture has nothing to do with Ansible itself. It's basically an extra for those who have absolutely no experience working with web servers. We're going to get a basic understanding of what a really basic web application looks like. We will be using this as a use case to deploy servers and systems in the remainder of this course. So it is important to understand at least one real-life use case, and it's important that we are all on the same page. If you are already familiar with web applications, feel free to skip this lecture, otherwise stay and refresh your memory. So we will be setting up a really simple web application using Python Flask application and MySQL database. The source code of this application is available on my GitHub page. First, we're going to take a look at how the application is set up. I will break it down into 6 steps. We have multiple ways to deploy the application. First, we're going to see an all-in-one setup where we have all the components of the application on the same server. So first, we identify a server, then we install Python and other Python dependencies in it. This is because our web application is based in Python. We then install MySQL database, configure it, and start the service, followed by installing Flask, which is what our web application will be based on. And then we will write the source code if it doesn't already exist, or we copy the source code over, or download it from a source repository like GitHub. And finally, run the web server. And this will get us to a point where we'll have a fully functional, basic web application ready to work with. In the remaining section of this course, we will use this as a use case to write Ansible playbooks and deploy on one or multiple servers in a monolithic or a distributed architecture.